What is up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video, y'all. Happy Monday, by the way. Happy Monday. Hope everybody is having a really nice, blessed Monday, And yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and talking about. I'm not really talking about it. I'm just a tryout, just a tryout of the e.l.f. Summer Breeze palette. Now, this used to be called the Matte for Matte 2 palette, but I guess they changed the name apparently. Yes, this palette is really good. I tried this. I used this once before, and that was in my me following a Heath Flawless makeup tutorial. Is somewhere up here, and it was really good. So I'm like, let me try another look, try another look and try it out and tell y'all how I feel about it. So if that's something you guys are into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed in my future uploads. I do mostly drugstore tutorials, stuff like that, because I'm broke and I don't have time to be paying $40 for a foundation. So on my channel, I kind of just, show you guys cheaper alternatives and dupes and different things like that for other brands and other things like that, even though I haven't tried any of those other brands anyway. But yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also that like button, and why not hit that notification bell right down there as well. Since y'all already down there, hit that notification bell, And with that being said, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so I kind of got started on one eye, and I already completed my base, because if you want to see the video where I did my base and everything, it was me trying a strange product that usually goes in the hair, but I tried it on my skin as like a primer. Y'all can hit that eye button right here, one of these, it'll pop up somewhere, and you guys can go ahead and check that video out. And yeah, so I kind of already started beginning with my e.l.f. palette, because like I said before, I've seen Patrick Star talk about this palette and rave about this palette all the time. Oh shoot, I don't want to blind y'all. Now, it is a really good palette. It comes with, just like standard 10 shades in this palette. It's really good. Oh y'all, look at my nose. My nose is snatched. Okay, it's really cute. Yeah, so what I did so far in my crease, I mixed these 3 shades right here and put that into my crease. And I'm basically just about to be doing a halo eye, but with like 2 brushes. So I'm about to do the same thing, blend all 3 of these shades and putting it on my crease over here. That's all I'm doing. It's pretty easy. Just a simple halo eye. Okay. Now, what you're about to do now is look straight forward and place that directly into your crease. Now, on the outer, like inner and outer, I'm going to take this nice purpley shade right here, pick that up on the same brush, and just place it right there, like right where you start the halo eye at. You're not pulling it out, you just pull it, you pushing it in, because if you pull it out, it goes like that, but we're pushing this color in. And we're going to do the same thing on the inner side. That looks very pretty. And you see like that little line right there? That's going to be for our halo, like where we pop our little highlight color. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on this side. Now, I'm about to take this palette, which is the BH Spotlight Highlight Palette. I'm going to take this purpley shade right here called Allure on a small detail brush that I use for my eyebrows, but I don't care. And we're about to pack that right in the middle. You can pop on some lashes, and this could honestly just be a look, but I haven't done a wing in a long time, so I'm about to attempt to do that. Now this wing is done. I'm about to do the other one off camera, and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I just finished my whole face, and my final thoughts on this palette. It's a really good like for a drugstore palette, it is really good. It was maybe like $8 for the price point. Like look, it looks really good. It looks really good. And yeah, so I just finished everything else. So if y'all don't know, like the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, this setting spray is really good. It's really good at making your skin look dewy. Kind of like, it gives you kind of the same effect as MAC Fix Plus does, but they fixed the nozzle on this. Like if y'all know, like if y'all bought this like maybe last year or maybe like 5 months or 6 months ago, the nozzle was like spraying kind of harsh on you, so I guess some people were complaining about it and they finally fixed it, so it's more of a finer mist like now. I don't know if y'all saw that, but yeah, it's really good. Like so I'm glad I picked this up and tried it again. But back with this palette, it does experience some fallout, but that's, you know, it's, first of all, not talking about e.l.f. or nothing, but it's e.l.f. What do you expect? You don't expect some high quality shadows from e.l.f. Like, you know, but e.l.f. is honestly stepping their game up. This was called the Matte for Matte 2 palette, but now they renamed it. It called it Summer Breeze. I remember Patrick Starr was calling it the Matte for Matte 2 palette, but now they call it the Summer Breeze palette, which, I don't know, it's still the same palette. This eyeshadow is really good, but it doesn't, as the name says it, it's like a matte eyeshadow palette. Doesn't have any shimmers. So what I did was I took a highlighter and I just put it on top of my lid. So yeah guys, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Like, I mean, it wasn't really a tutorial, it was more of like a first impressions try on of this e.l.f. palette. And if y'all see it at Walmart or CVS or some drugstore, pick it up. It's really good. Like, you know, like y'all can use it. Like it's like more of like a self palette, and like you can travel with it as well. Like it has a black in here, like a dusty gray. This color right here, it is so good for contouring your nose. Like as y'all can see, like look at my nose. My nose looks fucking snatched, y'all. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, please. And I will see you guys in my next video.